upcoming exhibition this coming February is Samut-sari, Patak ni Aimee Bernardo. Samut-sari is Tagalog word meaning a lot of things or a lot of stuff. In art term, it's mixed media because I will be using found objects that are here in my studio. So I'll be using old newspapers, magazines, old art papers, and some plastic spoon and knives and forks and chopsticks, some recycled bottles that I will be painting on, and other pieces that are just here inside FACTORY505. Parang ano siya, parang art on a budget. So that's the idea. The inspiration of the Samut-sari Exhibition started when I learned scuba diving. Every time I'm underwater, nakakasad na ang dami kong nakikita na mga basura underwater, mga single-use plastics, even diapers, you know, they're underwater. So I told myself, I'm gonna do an exhibition that would be focusing on how to reuse plastics or other discarded materials na nasa bahay nyo lang. And how you're gonna turn that into functional art. That was the inspiration of the Samut-sari. The preparation for this exhibition, I went to my bodega and ang dami kong mga paper. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing yon. Grabe, ang dami talaga. Lahat yata ng kulay I have. And nagdi-discolor na siya. Kasi yung iba parang 10 years old na. Kaya sabi ko, oh my God, I have to find a use for all these papers that I've collected all these years. And I have books na my dogs chewed on. So sabi ko, I don't wanna throw them away. What am I gonna do with those books that my dogs chewed on? It would be nice to use them, to layer my art pieces. And I have this old sinamay that's just in my bodega. So sabi ko, I have to use them. Sayang naman, di ba ko itatapon ko? Ayoko siyang itapon. So I cut them to small pieces, square, rectangular shapes, and then nilayer ko lang siya. Ang subjects are dried flowers because I love flowers. I do flower arrangement once in a while, and nanghihinayin akong itapon yung mga flowers. So I dry them. And they're part of my exhibition as well. What are the struggles I went through preparing this exhibition? Okay, yung pinakauna talaga. Kasi I'm using glue gun. Ginuglo ko yung mga chopsticks, yung mga spoon and forks and knives. Sometimes nakakalimutan ko mainit siya. So, napapaso yung mga daliri ko. So, I have burns. I have burns on my fingers. And yeah, it's not a good sight to see. But I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And those are part of creating pieces of art. You know, sometimes talaga, it burns you. What else? Kakalimutan kong kumain. Sometimes I forget that I have to eat. So when I remember that I'm about to eat, it's already late at night, mga 1 a.m. na, 2 a.m., mga ganun. So, I'm so hungry na by that time. I tend to eat a lot. It's not good kasi sumasakit yung tiyan ko if I do that. Like, I don't eat the whole day and then bigla, I'm gonna eat a lot. So, medyo, ano ba tawag doon? Na-impacho ko. Hindi ako natutunawan. So, yun yung mga struggles. And also, because I'm always by myself, ako lang parati dito sa studio ko, it's not good that you're always by yourself creating. Yun yung mga struggles dito sa Samut-sari Exhibition. I will be exhibiting a multitude of art pieces. So, I will be painting bags, t-shirts, mugs, and recycled bottles. And of course, I have some pieces that I'm still working on. These pieces are best seen up close and personal. Watch out for my exhibition on February 2, 2020. Mag-e-enjoy kayo. I'm planning to open my exhibition on February 2 until February 11 because February is 02 and then 02 up to 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the exhibition will start 0202-11, 2020. Puro 2. 02021122.